I'm so excited. Check it out. I just received some supplies in the mail from Beam Paints. Cute little sticker. Beautiful paint in Robin's Egg Blue. And another one in Beach Rose. And finally, a tiny gold bottle. So I'm going to give my new paints a try on this black paper because I think it might pop nicely on that. So what I need to do is reconstitute the paint, or essentially I'm going to wet the paint. And then I'm going to take this wet paint and paint it on to my calligraphy nib. So I'm just painting this on to the back of the nib. Might take a few tries before it's ready to go. Let's give it a try. Now let's give this hot pink color a try. And finally, I'm going to give this gold paint a try. So this is a liquid paint. This might need to be, yeah, it's very thick. So I'm going to need to take this and reconstitute it. I'm going to need to take it and put it inside of a smaller pot and add water until it's the proper consistency. But I think just for fun, I'll just add some water to the lid here. Paint it onto my brush. Oh, that's beautiful. And there you have it, some beautifully stunning opaque paints by Beam Paints in Canada. Check out the caption for more details.